What is the current programming language going on in that 20th century? Now, what is that peak programming language? Python.
I'm
So
not sure
now
about Python.
Python.
Yes,
I
yes.
think it's Python.
Now, before and all, for example, in 2000 and all, C is there, right? 2005, 2010 and all. Then after that, C++, then Java. Depending upon the needs, okay, that various programming language we are using, right? So that is nothing but an evolution. You just look at the diagram so that you could understand. Just look at this one. 1950, Lisp is a programming language. 1960, you just look at this one, Algol for Fortran basics. Okay, 1970, the Simulus, C, Pascal. Okay, so then 1980, you just look at this diagram. This diagram clearly, okay, no need to draw the diagram and all. Okay, this is for your understanding purpose. Okay, so if you look at this one, so that you could understand 1950. These are all that okay. Evaluation of programming language it depends upon the various years. Okay, in 1950s and all, creation of high level language. Okay, high level that assembly level language and all should be there. Okay, so right, at that time the coding and all, add a comma b like that. Okay, it should be an assembly level language. Load a comma b. Okay, sub a comma b like that. Your that kind of language is there, and after that it's just slowly Pascal. Okay, just look at these years: Java 1990s, Java, internet programming 2010. Okay, JavaScript. So it keeps on going like this. Okay, so this is nothing but an evolution. Okay, don't okay, evolution is nothing but evolution of programming language in the sense in the various that how that okay, the programming language is evolving year by year depending upon the needs. Okay, so this is nothing but an evolution. Next, you just look at this one. This and all in the first class itself, I have given more explanation about what is mean by problem solving through programming. This and all I have given, right? Tell me here. Don't look at the topic and all. This I have given first class itself. I first 1 hour I
Yes,
talked.
sir.
Yes, from this
Yes, sir.
basics.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So you just look at this one. Okay, there are two types of thinking. Just look at this one so that you could understand how the problem solving can be done. So with the help of first, whatever the problem you are okay, you are taking into that you are going to handle it. Okay, first thing is, okay, you just look at this one. For you should have to write algorithm, draw flow chart, and say write pseudocode. That and all problem solving technique. Okay, in order to solve the problem, okay, that should be the two things are necessary. Okay, creative thinking and critical thinking. Definitely thinking is there, right? Play a vital role, right? How we are finding the logic and all in ELAB we are doing, right? Some scenario based question is there. How we are going to find finding the logic? Some blah blah is there, one paragraph is there, right? They will store, they will write, they have given one stories and all. From that, some little small logic will be there. We should have to find out that, right? For that we should have to think. Okay, so that what is mean by creative thinking? You just look at the point and tell me. Imagine, invent, change, design, create. What is mean by creative thinking? For example, if a problem is given to you, okay, that there should be, okay, number of solutions for that particular problem. Okay, so how, suppose if the problem is given to you, how you are creatively thinking to find out the solution. Okay, for example, others also already created the solution. For example, that may okay, have some for example, uh, uh, some 20 lines of code. Okay, suppose if you convert that okay, their thinking into the programming language means it may leads to some 20 lines of code. Suppose you are thinking in a different way, so such that it will leads to only 10 lines of code. Which one is very efficient?
10 lines of code.
10 lines of code. Okay, so creative thinking is very, very important. We have looked at, right, biggest of three numbers and all. How many logics are there in biggest of three numbers? There should be 3 or 4 logics we have discussed, right? 3 logics we have discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Which one will be the best one?
The third logic, sir. The
Yes,
max
comparing
reference
A
to.
and B, store it in max, compare max with another one, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is called as creative thinking. Have you got it? So what does mean by critical thinking, ma? What is this analyze, break down, compare,
Sir,
categorize,
it's like
list, sequence, rank? Then give any example for critical thinking. Both are thinking only. Okay, slightly it will differ.
sir, you
So for
use it in like
example,
everyday problems.
so predictive
Or
analysis
like
of COVID in 2022, creative thinking or critical thinking?
so critical.
Critical
Why
thinking.
why it doesn't belong to creative?
Sir, it's mostly based on analyzing data.
Yes, analyzing the data because that okay, based upon because 2020 and 2021 we are fully experienced with COVID, right? We have number of records, right? Patients records in each and every hospital that will be numerous datas are there, right? So
Yes,
from
sir.
those data, we can easily able to predict it, whether the third wave should come, should attack on 2022 or 2023, or how many patients will be affected in 2022 or 23, how many death rate should be there. So this now we got it right. What is mean by critical thinking? The critical thinking is the one. Okay, we should have to think in the form of analyzed based upon the past history. Okay, all that what do you call that machine learning and all, you know, right? Nowadays artificial intelligence plays a vital role, right? Machine learning, how many of them are familiar with this name called machine learning, a term called machine learning? Supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning.
So I have heard of it.
Mostly okay,
Yes, sir,
nowadays
I've
okay,
heard of it
all
as
that
well.
yes, that and all, it's
No, I've
completely
heard of
based
it.
upon the critical thinking. Okay, that machine learning, okay, machine learning is nothing but okay, like our like us, okay, the machine can able to think, right? That is called as machine learn can able to okay learn by itself without having any coding based upon the past history of data. Suppose if you are feeding the 2 years of COVID patients records, okay, to that machine, it can automatically learn some model, okay, and do some predictive analysis. Got it? So
Yes,
we should
sir.
not explicitly code. Okay, code is definitely needed. We should not explicitly write the code how to predict the results for future years and all. That and all will take care by automatically learn by that machine. That's what the machine learning concepts. Okay, nowadays in peak. So definitely, okay, in order to solve any kind of problem, there should be two thinking should be there. One is critical thinking, another one is creative thinking. Okay, both help us to solve the problem. Okay, so after that you can refinement and all can be done, improve design. Okay, fine. Okay, this is all together the problem solving. Now we got it right. What is mean by problem solving and all? This and all, I first class itself I talked. This I didn't talk. Creative thinking and critical thinking. Critical thinking and all. So you just look at this one. These are all that process. This is actually a programming process. Okay. First, we should have to define the problem. Okay. First problem comes to you. Okay. And after that, you should have to define the problem. Okay. And after that, planning for the solution. Okay. Planning for the solution in the sense, find the logical solution of the problem with the help of creative thinking or critical thinking. And after that, coding the program. Okay. After whenever you find out the logic, you should have to code it, right? After writing that algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode and all, you should have to code the program, and after that testing the program, okay, whether the program should be producing the correct input, correct output or not. And after that, documenting. Okay, if the testing is done, all the things will be documented for the future reference. Okay, so these are all some important programming process or problem solving process. Also, you just look at this one, planning. Okay, planning in the sense, whenever you are taking the, this is called a software development life cycle also. Okay, this is nothing but okay, these are all the process can carried out in any software companies. Okay, first they will plan the okay, first they will planning the problem, and after that analysis nothing but okay, analyzing the problem. Okay, that is finding out the logical solution for the problem. Here in this analysis parts itself, okay, you're drawing that flow chart, algorithm, pseudocode, and all will comes into that analytical part. Then design part is nothing but okay. Here in the design part, in the sense, okay, what do you call it? Architecture diagram of the project. Okay, some UML diagrams and all will be there that we are going to study in that. Higher semesters. Okay, some design part is there, and after that this implementation is nothing but your coding part. Okay, for that project or for that problem, whatever that language will be effective for implementing in order to achieve the solution for that particular problem, for that language and all you can use it, either maybe C, C++, Java, Python, so many. Okay, according to that need, you can choose that implementation. Okay, that is selecting the programming language. Testing and integration. Testing in the sense, okay, just checking that whether whether you have designed the software or implemented the software correctly or not. Maintenance in the sense, okay, maintenance in the sense after install the software to the client side. Okay, if there is, suppose after 1 year, okay, if they are going to update their business, okay, for that they are going to approach you for further changes. Okay, at the time it is your duty as a software engineer or software developer, it is your duty to update those changes which is asked by the client. Okay, that is comes under maintenance. Okay, so these are all some key process happening in order to solve any problem, okay, through software programming, programming language. Okay, so this is, so just now I told, right, problem solving phase, implementation phase, just know about this, that's it. After that, creating an algorithm, this and all I have taught it. Okay, already I've okay, up to this I'll stop. Okay, whatever things you are having doubt, you can ask me now. Any questions related to first unit? Anything I have uncovered? Tell me here, anyone kindly respond me, whatever the doubts you're asking. I'm here to clarify all your doubts. So don't leave any topic. Okay, so first session alone, you just okay, don't consider that what do you call the decision making statement, looping statements and all. It will be covered in second unit. Okay, don't worry about that. In E-Lab, okay, first session and second session without having decision making and looping statements alone, you can study. Just look at that questions also for CT1. Shall I take the attendance? Say, do you have any doubt, ma? For newcomers, don't worry. I'll arrange the separate session for clarifying your doubts and all. Definitely, you can't understand. Okay, because we are in the end of the first unit. We have completed also. Do you have any doubt?
Sir,
Tell me here.
sir, why do we use a /n?
/n. 1 minute. Can anyone know the answer? Means you kindly respond to that student.
It's a new line character.
It's to make it create a new line.
Take to the next slide.
This I taught. I didn't.
So you
So
taught
you
it, sir.
thought, sir. Sorry.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this new line comment here. Who asked the doubt?
Sir, I asked.
Okay. Now you got it. Why /n will be used?
Yes, sir.
Hey, it's for print. Okay, it's for new line comments. Okay, this is okay. If you used /n in the printf, okay, the output will be printing in the new line.
Yes, sir.
You know, right, where to use that slash n and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, anyone having any other doubt? See, definitely all that objective type question, all the 15 question and remaining 5 marks and all, definitely it will be a programmatic things only. Okay. In definite in objective type question and all, okay, there will be lot of programs will be coming. Okay, then you should have to find out the answer for that. That is output for that particular program. That type of question also will be there. Then otherwise you should have to spot the error. Okay, in that any program coding will be there. In that thing you should have to spot the errors. Okay, want that type of questions also will be there. Then general questions also will be there. Then mostly all the things are related to program thing, because it's a programmatic paper, right? So you should not expect theory and all. Okay, and CT1, okay, while we are writing, for example, 5 marks 50 sorry, MCQs and all, you are going to select the options only. Okay, in that there is no problem. In 15, sorry, and 5 marks and all, okay, suppose if any question is asked, okay, first put the heading, okay, write, okay, 2 or 3 lines definition for that, that is description for that topic, and after that write syntax and give one example program. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose if directly if they ask to write the program, okay, you can write it. Otherwise, suppose if it is any, okay, explain, okay, otherwise discuss about something. Okay, what is the topic? Discuss about the data types in C. Suppose if there is if there is question like this, means, okay, first you should know, if you should have to write what is mean by data type, what are the list of data types available in C. Okay, and you should have to write one example program incorporating all the data types. But depending upon the marks, you can write it. Okay, so if it is a 5 mark, means that content alone is fine. It's clear, ma? Neat presentation should be there. Okay, if it is 5 marks, okay, so first the description of the topic should be there, okay, within 2 or 3 lines, and after that definitely syntax also should be there. Okay, for each and everything there should be syntax is there. Suppose, okay, explain, okay, discuss about various storage classes, discuss about various storage classes. If they ask in the sense, you just write that what is mean by storage classes. Okay, then what are all the list of storage classes should be there, and after that write, okay, explain each and every storage class with a sample program. Okay, description you should not write 1 para, 2 para, 1 page and all, just 2 through 3 lines. Okay, 1 or 2 lines you just write it. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, I expected more doubts. Everything is clear in first unit.
So can you explain the what do you call it, pseudocode? Like how to
Pseudo
define
code.
it? Yes, sir.
1 minute. Can anyone share the my whiteboard content of pseudocode? In the GCR, I've shared all the contents, right? That last in the that storage class content I didn't put, I think. Okay, today I'll put it, or tomorrow I'll put it. Can anyone share?
Sir, I'll share.
Yes, correct. Pseudo code ma. Yes. Pseudocode ma. This is algorithm. Next.
So is this fine?
It's fine ma, but it is an algorithm. He is asking for pseudocode. Last slide, I think.
Sir, the
On
slide number
whiteboard
40.
contents 21 to 40.
Yes, sir. The slide
sorry.
40 is consists of.
Slide number 40 ma. Sorry.
You can
Now,
find
what
it on
doubt you are
slide
having
30
it?
also.
Yes. 30. You just look at this one. This is the pseudocode for biggest of 3 numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
What doubt you are having
Sir, I
here?
wrote the same
Anyone?
thing, sir. Sir, I wrote the same thing like in the same format. You said it was wrong, sir.
When I said, you just share
Sir, when
me.
you gave us the first homework, sir.
Okay.
When you
You
gave us
just
those
share
8
me.
questions to solve. Sir, again,
Okay.
sir. I don't think I have it anymore, sir.
If you have
It's
written
fine,
the same
sir.
code, it's fine. This is fine.
Okay, sir.
Sorry,
Instead of get,
what?
can I write input?
Input. Yes. There should be some keywords are there, right? For getting the input and I'll get input. Okay, get.
And instead of print, I can put output.
Instead of print, you have put output. What is the keywords it is used for? Can anyone tell me what are all the keywords for used in pseudocode for printing? Display, print, then
Display. Print.
Okay.
Mostly
display
print.
then.
mostly print or display, right?
Fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
That keyword alone you can use. Remaining parts and all you can understood, right? What?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Then it's fine. Okay, ma. Thank you, Pardi. Thank you for sharing.
No problem, sir.
Any other doubts?
No, sir.
It's okay. I'll take the attendance. So okay, I'll give the attendance as per my attendance sheet. Google attendance sheet. I'm having it, so that if you no more doubt, we can wind up the session. You can leave, ma. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Your attendance is over, sir?
Yes, the attendance I can take it from my attendance sheet.
Okay,
Your
sir.
entry and all it's recorded.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.